In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Huntington Bank online account in 2025 using a simple step-by-step process. Whether you're new to online banking or just need a refresher, this guide is designed to help you navigate the login process with ease and confidence. So let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you commonly use for browsing the internet. Once your browser is open, you'll want to navigate directly to the Huntington Bank website. Simply type in the website address into the address bar at the top of your browser and hit enter. When you arrive at the home page, you should see a login or sign in button. Typically, this is located at the top right-hand corner of the page, but depending on updates to the website's design, the exact location might vary slightly. So keep an eye out in that general vicinity. You'll then be taken to the login page, where you will see fields to enter your username and password. These are the credentials you've set up with the bank to access your online account. First, go ahead and enter your username. Make sure you type it in correctly, as any mistake here might prevent you from logging in. Next, move on to the password field. Enter your password carefully, keeping in mind that passwords are often case sensitive, so double check if caps lock is on. Remember, the best practice for creating a secure password is to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once both your username and password are correctly entered, click on the Login button. This will attempt to authenticate your details and take you to your account. However, depending on your security settings, you may be prompted to complete an additional layer of security verification. This could be in the form of a one-time code sent to your phone or email. If you receive such a prompt, simply check your SMS or email for the code and enter it to complete the login process. This extra step is a fantastic way to ensure your account stays secure, offering peace of mind against unauthorized access. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into your Huntington Bank online account. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily access your bank account online at any time. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. For more helpful tips and guides, make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos. Happy banking!